Meet Betty. She loves cleanliness and order very much, but it is hard for her to distinguish colors. Help her load clothes of the same color into the washing machine. Drag white clothes into the washing machine. Keep up the great work. Keep it up. Great job! Drag yellow clothes into the washing machine. That's it! You're doing a great job! Drag purple clothes into the washing machine. Keep going! You're doing a great job! Drag brown clothes into the washing machine. Keep it up. That's it! Drag orange clothes into the washing machine. You did it! Keep going! Drag black clothes into the washing machine. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. Drag cyan clothes into the washing machine. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Drag gray clothes into the washing machine. That's it! Keep going! Drag pink clothes into the washing machine. Keep going! Yay! Drag blue clothes into the washing machine. You're doing a great job. Keep up the great work. Drag green clothes into the washing machine. Keep up the great work. Keep it up. Drag red clothes into the washing machine. That's it! Keep up the great work!